Okay, guys, so that cut off. Obviously, I'm going to need to upgrade my account because there's apparently a 15-minute time limit on the recording. So I'll have to upgrade that account so we can get a longer lecture in. But what I was ending by saying is that obviously you're going to have to know facts and, like dates and things on a map and who did what and when, because that is part of the essence of world history. But I also want you to know that you'll be working on building skills, and those skills go back to these things here we were talking about earlier. So just make sure that if you don't fully understand that you at least have it jotted down in your notes so that you can refer back to it, because those are the types of competencies that I'm going to be looking that you build in your discussions and any short answer or essay. And truly, that's the type of skills that your employers and your college professors are going to want to see you display as well. So I know this was a short lecture and it may have seemed a little awkward. I think it'll be a lot better moving forward. But I did want to kind of do this as a trial run test of the technology. So I'm going to upload these two videos onto YouTube, and I'll send those with your facilitators there, and then we'll move forward from here. I hope to be sending you a lot more lectures, and of course they'll be a little bit longer, so you guys can give me some feedback as to pace after a few lectures and let me know how that works for you, and if the technology is working. Other than that, we will pick up the pace and pick up the speed and really dig in over the next few weeks. Have a great day.